Do you want to save money and have a beautiful garden? Watch this video to the end. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a free organic fertilizer fast and easy to prepare. I'm pruning my plants today and I'm going to use the scraps to make fertilizer for my plants. I recycle all the leaves to make this great fertilizer for free. I never throw the leaves because they are treasure to me, because they are full of vitamins and nutrients that nourish the plants and also enrich the soil. I'm going to transform the leaf in a liquid fertilizer that is great for vegetables. For wheat plants, especially when they turn their leaf yellow, this is great because it's full of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. I always check the leaf to make sure that they don't have any disease or fungus or anything. My wonderful people, I want to hear your comments about this video, and please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for your great support. The first step is to chop the leaf in small pieces. After chop, take a small batch of leaf and put in the blender and a little bit of water to blend. That way it's easy for the fermentation and get the nutrients available. Blend it to get a smooth liquid juice. Place all the juice in a bucket. Add half cup of granulated sugar. Can be white sugar or brown sugar. Add a little bit of compost or a little bit of cow manure. Mix very well for better results. Cover with plastic and leave it for 5 to 7 days before you use. I'm taking half liter of the fertilizer and I put in 7 gallons of water. I mix well before I use. Now the fertilizer is ready to use. You can put in your plant that are a little bit yellow or sad or are not growing. I have this guava tree. It looks a little bit sad. I'm going to put the fertilizer. That way it can be more green. If your plant is very green, you don't need to fertilize it. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time for more. Bye bye.